Good day, everyone. Here I'm going to explain the first part of the project programming technique 2, code that will implement inheritance and polymorphism. But the part I'm going to explain, it's neither. It will be explained by my friend after me. Here there is a class name location. The class has two members, private and public. In the private section, there is an icon for letter payments, the icon address, and the remaining balance of type integer. Then for float, there are cache, pay, and distance. For char is choice. And the last is string, has start and end. In the public section, there is a default constructor for the location class, a member function of type float, call cache price, which has parameter b. This is to calculate cash payment. Every 1 kilometer is multiplied by 5,000 rupiah. As for non-cash, we name a call e-price. The same as before for every kilometer multiplied by 5,000, but there is a chart of 0.9. The second member function has a get location string. This is to bring up the main menu of our application. The city is selected as the starting location. There are Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and Bekasi. And the destination location of user will be displayed. Then the user is asked to estimate distance in kilometers. After that, there is confirmation of details related to the data that has been input by the user. The next step, the user is asked to continue the payment. If the input is yes, it will appear, please choose a payment method. If the input number is no, the payment will be canceled and the program will stop. When the user is asked for a payment method using switch case, there are two methods, namely cash and non-cash, which we call start pay. If the user selects one, the program will call cash price based on the distance entered by the user and display the amount of the fee to be paid, and the user is asked to pay it when it reaches the destination. If 2 is selected, the program will call e-price based on the distance entered by the user and display the amount of the fees to be paid. The user is asked to enter the amount of balance that is sufficient to pay. If the balance is sufficient or more, the program will display the remaining balance and your account address. If the balance is not sufficient, the program will request a repayment. After that, there will be a tone of the status of the driver who is on the way, and the ID number is included. After arriving, the status will display complete, and the user is asked whether to make another order. If yes, then the program will repeat the program. If no, the program will stop. Maybe that's all from me, and we'll continue by my friend. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Arkan Al Rashid, and I'm from the Star Hunters group. And this is our project. In this project, I will explain the customer class, driver class, and the person class. So the first one is the person class. The class person is a base class or parent class for the customer class and the driver. This is where we implement our inheritance. So in the person class, there is public virtual void get ID, and the cout is this person is registered as a. This is where we use the polymorphism. And then for the class customer, there is private in exit, ACC, ACCX, balance. For the float, there are cash, e-pay, distance. And for the char, there is only CHC. For the string, there are start, end, and rate. In the public, for the customer class, there are customer, void, get ID, and the cout is customer. The string to get the location, get location, and then in the void, this is there where we use the polymorphism. So the next one is the driver class. In the driver class, there is only public, the driver, void, get ID, cout. The cout is driver. This is where we use the polymorphism also. So the next one is in get ID driver, and then this is the status for our project. The first one is status, and then the start transport. Driver is on their way. Driver ID. This is showing their the driver ID, and then it shows that great, you're on your way to your destination. Always stay safe and follow the health protocols. Then you arrive at your location, and then the payment is done. So my friend will explain about the int main. That's all for me. Thank you very much.
Now I'm gonna present about the int main part, which is the main part of the program. Because we use 4 classes, which is location, person, driver, and customer, and now we declare the variable we want to use to call the function in the class. Here we have two types of different customer variables, which is to call different functions from the same class. First, we have the customer, which is used to get the function of the get location here in the customer class, and here the customer cast is used to get the get ID, which is here. And then for the driver is also the same. For this is to call the function for the get location, which is, if I'm not mistaken, it's right here. The ID, I mean not the location, the ID of the driver, and this is for the ID for the polymorphism. We use the drv variable, and then after that we declare all this, the data type for the for all the input that you want to use, which is for the we have exit account. This is the account reckoning. This is the balance for the account. This is the cash. If you want to pay with cash, ePay, we use float because the numbers that we use is not that much, so float is viable in this case. And also distance, because the distance is like kilometers, is blah 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 point blah blah kilometers, like 17.5 kilometers from point A to point B, so we use float. And then we use char for the CHCs, like the choice, so that we don't have to type in a long word. This the function of this is so that the customer can choose to make a payment or make a order again or not. And then after that we use the do while function because it is more flexible to use this. And then we use system pause and system CLS so that the program can so it is not only one page in the CMD program in the command prompt, and so that it will like go to the next page, and the next page when it is then running a certain function in the program.